Hey guys, Becky here this time. I'm speaking up loud. I'm going to record a video of Balloon Tentacles battles. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy holidays. Here's the login to it. Nope. The audio's cut off again. I don't know what's happening. Whatever. Okay, so this is my first long time playing. Back when I was young. And right now, I used to play a lot. I mean, I don't like this game because you work against other people and you don't know how hard they might be. It's just annoying. And the energy and stuff like that, I don't like it. If you don't know what this game is about, it's about you, war, you're against war, and war against the balloons. I don't know what that is. This is weird. But yeah. Hope you enjoy and also, the worst thing about it is you gotta buy upgrades. You can't just initially get to gotta buy them. You don't know, Sergeant Monkey is going to die, of course. What? He just pulled out so many good stuff. So yeah, this game is really fun. I asked to try it out. My friend told me to do it, and well, here we go. Hopefully, watching this video, I'm doing it for you. I don't hate the game. It's just literally not my type of game. So all you gotta do is just, beat the other character. That's your job right now. Hopefully you can hear me. I don't think you can. I try my best to be loud. Oh. I just wasted one. I don't like doing that. The bad cancer, sold it. Oh, where is this barrage the person? If they're low defense like this guy, just keep on spamming it. It's good. It gets you easy win. Okay, so I'm gonna go in a quick match. So I'll make one video. Every single day I'll make a video of this. Probably in other videos. Don't worry, I'll make like thing. So you wanna go strategy on this. So of course you thought ninja and your balloon. Now go for a bonus. Good helicopter. Good defense. It's a horrible part of AI. Don't like the AI. Push is fast, like soccer, it's like getting faster in this game, but I can't. That kid's going on a real strategy. It's only one victory. I'm wishing this guy to spot everything, which I don't really do. Always reserve your currency on the green thing over here. Nope. Cause the player, yeah, is an idiot like that. Um, going to picks. So I'm going to win this one. Hopefully. This guy's going for defense. This guy not even putting anything down. Yeah, I have one. It's on 6 cards up. And this guy's dead. Oh god. Come on, hurry up. Yes! I won. I totally won. Wow. Wow. I'm probably so mad. He got beat by a volunteer guy. Just started. Oh my god. Defense mode, I hate defense mode. So horrible. You start off for only that, like 50 currency, you gotta rank up. It's just annoying. Oh. Oh, I love this gun. This is like the best gun in the entire universe. I love it. As last time, put down the spin and just get seeing some. Get this to the max level. I seem to see just buying stuff instead of actually, getting them. I'm not gonna do that. Trust me, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna get them legit. And we'll see how far we go into the series. Probably not that far, but let's just see how far we get. As last time, his defense is really low. He wants to maybe balls really early, so guys like this. This guy was just an idiot and put to get him. Alright, Cannon, yeah, it's a good place, a good thing to put down right now. But really, update your defense, man. Nah. Let's go. Defense, huh? Put him in there. Hit the party can't do that. This guy's so easy. Let me get my monkey out. Oh, I can't buy anything right now. This guy might be a good defense for. Wow, I just realized that. Put that dude up there. This guy's dead. Hope you enjoyed this series, and I'll be making more videos about this. I don't like it now. Oh, ooh, this guy's dead. I'm gonna be the full region. No, yeah. A lead cost a lot. Why not? Let's try it. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Didn't plan defense. Oh god. Die. I'm out. Rainbow Rush. Okay. Okay, I think it went a little too far. Let's see what it's gonna do if you took any target at once. I think Hot Pants 87 might win. I guess it's easy. I have no camera defense. Oh, that's so funny. Like, why not? Wow. Don't tell me I won this already. Wow, 2 in a row. Okay, so Boomerang Tower. Trying to get that early. So Balloon Monkey City. I did play it. I didn't like it. The coin system was too hard. The balloons took too long. I don't like it. So you guys tell me if you want to make a video about it. Leave it in the comments. 464. Can I beat this dude? Or can I have been victorious from the last ones? Wrong one. Well, basic upgrades, dude. He really just did that one. Yeah, good, really fun. Excuses. Yeah, I'm doing. It's got me off track. What? Fireball. So, I really like this game, so I don't know what it is about it, don't want. Come on. I'll keep 2 of them. Build. Oh, God. Right next to. If you've never played this game, I decided to give you a opinion, go check it out. Really fun game. Oh no. Ninja right here. If I make a video too long, it won't upload on YouTube. That's the problem. So, okay. I'm just gonna rush. Oh God. Rush, 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 rush. Bad idea. Come on. I can't. Sorry guys, I have to end the video really early because I can't upload the video done. So see you guys next time.